How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking apart a Xbox Slim. I'm going to go through it and make it just as easy as possible. I'll break it down into parts. First thing you're going to need is a T10. You can get a Torx bit screwdriver, order one. A flathead screwdriver and a jeweler's size flathead screwdriver. You'll need these because there'll be some very small little points that you got to get into. I already have this popped open so you can see the tabs. What you'll do is you will just take your screwdriver and place it in here into your little vents. See, you have a little blocking little plastic piece down up underneath there. You just take that screwdriver, apply a little force like that, and it'll come right out. Just the top. Okay, you see the tabs on it, and you can just pop that right out. Now this, a little bit more tricky. Before I get to showing you how to do it, I want to show you the tabs. You have 6 tabs on there, on each side. Alright, that locks it down in there. If anybody's ever tried to get it out, you know about these dang tabs. What you'll do is you'll have little holes in the top. And you stick your screwdriver. As you see, we have a tab on this side, which will be on the flat part here. You see the little hole, and you stick your screwdriver in there and pull back towards you like this. That's rocking on that tab, and allowing it to turn loose. You'll have one here in the middle. I wanted to get it to where you could see what's going on. You stick your screwdriver down in there. It'll be behind it, and you just push forward, and it pops it loose. Then you have one here. You do the same. One here, and one here. Alright. And you just pop it, and it comes right out. Now, if you're going to clean it up, if it's really dirty like this one, I'm going to go ahead and wash mine, so I'm not going to snap it together. But if your system is pretty clean, you can just put it together and snap it. But this one needs a bath. Okay, you'll have a T10 screw. This is your internet card, or your Wi-Fi. Sorry. You'll have a little screw down in here. And as I said, these are T10. And as you see, mine has the magnet tip. Now this has like a USB port, just like you'll plug in a flash drive. Just wiggle it back and forth. Take it, set it aside. Put your little screw by there. Alright, this side's finished. We'll flip it over, and this is the side with the your hard drive in it. Now, just take your lid for your hard drive off, and y'all know how to do that, I'm sure. It just lifts right up. Then you'll take your screwdriver, stick it in the plastic. Just pop right up. Now this area here is a little bit more difficult. As you see, you've got tabs, a smaller tab, which I suggest using a smaller screwdriver whenever you put it in the tab, put it in the hole where it'll go behind there. See, even the small one barely fits. Gotta get a jeweler screwdriver, and what you'll do is put it in at an angle and just pop them loose. You'll have one here, 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 and here. And this is what they look like. We'll set this over to the side, and let's go ahead and pull out your hard drive. You have your little ribbon, and you see the dust accumulated. We'll set it over to the side. And as you can see in the fan area, it's just coated with dust. Even in here, just you know, it sucks the air through it, and that's what happens, just like an air conditioner filter. Now, to open this, if it's brand new, you'll have a sticker here. Let's remove the sticker. And that's where your clip's at. Now, some people just stick and try to pry and pop that. Let me see if you can get it. Try to stick it in there and booger up your case. Now we're not. You don't have to do that. What there is up underneath here. You can rub your finger, just like an Xbox. If you did the Xbox to take the screws out, there'll be a little indention. See the indention? And you just take your screwdriver and pop a hole there. Now, what that allows you to do when you go to separate your box, you can just stick your screwdriver in there and release that clip that holds the box together. You'll have a flip it over. You have two clips on this side, and what you'll do is just stick your screwdriver behind it, apply a little force, and pop them loose. And you'll have one here. And you'll have one there. Alright guys, I'm going to pop this box apart, and I'll hit you up with another video.